is Senator Abdul Ningi. And Mr. President, I represent Bauchi Central, Bauchi State. Mr. President, when you listen to people, and including our colleagues, this very important chamber, and the catchword is caution. Mr. President, we cannot pretend that those killed are not human beings. Neither can we pretend those killed are Nigerians. Mr. President, this issue has been in the front burner for almost 2 months. And this chamber had a luxury to discuss this matter. I recall the very strong language that my brother Senator Adam Oshimole used, which a cross-section of the media condemned. Mr. President, this chamber is people's chamber. We are representing Nigerians in Nigeria and diaspora. And when you say caution, what do you mean by that? When the government says caution, what does the government mean by that? Caution like that, like how? Nigerians have been killed left, right, and center. And there has never been any action except to condemn this thing by mouth. This xenophobic attack is not done by mouth. It's done physically. You imagine, Mr. President, somebody in his own house, somebody in his own place of business, without no notice, and then mobs begin to chase that man, kill him, burn him. As we are talking today, over 1,200 Nigerians are already being evacuated. And what does the government do? Caution. Caution what? Caution what? Are we not Nigerians? Don't Nigerians deserve to live in other countries? Even if they are armed robbers, even if they are criminals, are they supposed to be killed in that kind of manner? And that's why countries like United States of America is different. And that's why you could see the connection between United States citizens and their country. Here we don't care. It doesn't matter. Yet, the cornerstone of Nigerian foreign policy is Africa. But that has to change. We must show Nigerians in diaspora that we care. We must show that we care, that we have a government that can protect them. Simplicity, Mr. President, talking, lamenting, is not going to take us anywhere. There has to be an action. And actually, let's sever diplomatic relationship with South Africa. Let's sever relationship with South Africa. So if we do that, we are sending a signal. But every time we come here to this chamber, and I like the motion presented by my younger brother Suko. We can't keep quiet, Mr. President. Enough is enough. Silence is no longer golden. A so-called giant of Africa. Our citizens have been killed left, right, and center, and all that we do here is caution. Caution my foot. Pardon me for using that language. There must be an action. And this chamber, Mr. President, must rise to this occasion and tell the federal government that it's enough. Severe relationship with South Africa. Severe complete relationship with South Africa.
Thank you. You have exhausted your time. And I said he was going to speak last, but I can see Senator Mgbeke was saying he wants to speak. I will give you 1 minute because